The fifth thing is practice the principle of replacement. There's these things that come into our mind, and then they want to creep into our heart, and we need to practice the principle of replacement. And Paul, as he was writing, he talked about these. He told us that we need to think about whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right. Told us to think about whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, whatever is excellent and praiseworthy. That's what we need to think about. That we have to practice the principle of replacement. And that if we're going to cut through anxiety, this principle of replacement is that we've got to replace the butter knife. That if we're going to get through, we've got to go, I'm going to get through this, and I've got to use the right tool that's going to cut me through my anxiety. But we can't be approaching it and say, I just need a butter knife. If we're going to cut through, then we've got to rely on everything that God is showing us. This is what we have at our disposal. The anxiety, it exists where we have this codependence, this unhealthy codependence that creeps into our life. So don't tackle anxiety with a butter knife. Tackle it with an axe. We've got to give anxiety the axe. Anxiety, it wants to continually focus on our past, these things that have happened in the past, to torment our future. And our minds can create anxiety. And because our minds can create anxiety, our minds also have the power to dismiss anxiety. That we can do this. That we have to replace these anxious thoughts with thoughts of hope and with thoughts of trust.